Imagine a creature so vicious and threatening that states are in an uproar to destroy it. Many people are scrambling to eliminate this creature from the United States. What could you imagine this creature to be? An alligator? A bear? No, it's a fish, the northern snakehead. This fish is a big problem for many states. First, I'm going to describe the northern snakehead, explain how it came to the U.S., and then discuss the threat that it poses. The northern snakehead is described as a frankenfish. According to an article by Christian Berg in the Morning Call in January 2005, the northern snakehead is described as a frankenfish because of its toothy jaws, its insatiable appetite, and its amazing ability to travel over short distances over land by propelling itself with its fins. Now, the northern snakehead has a torpedo-shaped body. And given the name snakehead, it has the head that resembles that of a snake, and also snake-like colorings. It has sharp, pointy teeth, and it can grow up to 5 feet long. Now, the northern snakehead has many odd characteristics. In a February 2005 issue of the Smithsonian by Helen Fields, it explains some of these traits. Now, I said that the northern snakehead can move across land. It can do so because of tiny sacs above its gills that enables it to breathe out of water for a short amount of time. The northern snakehead is also considered a delicacy in some parts of Asia. Now that you have seen what the northern snakehead looks like, we will begin discussing how the northern snakehead came to the United States. According to the article by Helen Fields, it says that it first showed up in a pond in Maryland in 2002. Now, in an article by Brian Brazier in An article by Brian Brazier in the Commercial Appeal in 2006 says that many people keep northern snakeheads in aquariums because they're very exotic. Now, when they become too large or too much of a problem to handle, they then dump them into ponds and lakes. Another reason they could have infested these waters is something called ritual animal release. In the article by Helen Fields, it explains that some Buddhist cultures release animals as a part of prayer. So it could have came into the waters for that reason. The article by Christian Berg says that nearly 17,000 snakehead species have been imported into the United States as delicacies or to be kept in aquariums. Now, scientists aren't for sure of how serious this threat of the snakehead is. According to the article in the Smithsonian by Helen Fields, it says that if the northern snakehead continues to thrive, it could disrupt the ecological balance of many ponds, lakes, and rivers. The snakehead is very aggressive, and so it competes with other fish for the best habitat. It is also carnivorous, so it eats a lot of other fish. The largemouth bass is especially in danger because they both compete for the same food. The northern snakehead is a threat to native species. We will look at what the government and wildlife agencies are doing to prevent this problem from becoming larger. In Scientific American, in January 2005 by Amy Cunningham, there's an article that says that when officials first spotted the northern snakehead, they poisoned the whole pond, killing every fish, but they also killed 1,300 of the northern snakehead. It says in the article by Helen Fields in the Smithsonian that the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service has banned all importation and interstate transportation of the northern snakehead. Some states have even made it illegal to even own a snakehead. Despite the government's actions and preventions, Despite the government's actions and preventions, the northern snakehead is still a threat to native species. The northern snakehead is still showing up in many lakes, ponds, and rivers across the nation. The ineffective methods to destroy this creature has allowed it to multiply. We have seen what the northern snakehead looks like, how it came to the U.S., and even though it's not as terrifying as it is made out to be, it is still a threat and continues to be a problem for many states.